Alright, so today I got a pair of YEEZY Slides. They randomly dropped on their YEEZY Supply website. Super weird why Adidas keeps dropping slides in the middle of winter, but is it even more weird that I bought in like both of them, the Boost Slides and the YEEZY Slides? Anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys these and give you guys just an initial impression review in this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. Happy shopping. And if you guys want to buy a pair of these, I'll try to find some links for you to buy them from the open market, because I believe they did sell out actually on YEEZY Supply finally. Anyway, these are them, the YEEZY Slides. Size 9 is the one that I got. Maybe this is supposed to be Desert Sand, but it says Desan. But it says Desan, Desan, Desan. It's like desert sand in all three different spots. I don't know. It is what it is. Slide, 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 slide. Let's open this up and see what we have. Super weird looking. Box fart. How many times do we box fart on this channel from these Yeezys, man? I tell you, it happens every time. So this is a YEEZY Slide, and I gotta say, it looks really, really interesting. It's a weird foam material. The entire thing is made up of that same exact foam. The midsole to the outsole to the little spot that covers your foot. This is where it gets a little bit weird, because sizing of these, they only had 9 and 10, so I had to get a size 9 or a size 10. I went with a 9, which is probably the wrong one, because when I look at this, I'm like, how can my foot fit through here? It's so snug. And we all know I have kind of wider feet. It's hard to fit through and get to right here. So my little toes are going to be stuck trying to get through. I look like a Ninja Turtle. Look at this Ninja Turtle feet. I can't even get my hand in here. But so this is way, way snug for my feet. Size 10 would have been definitely the way to go. I would say they probably fit true to size if they actually had a true size for me, but it is what it is. Materials are interesting though. You can see it's a nice little soft rubber. It's kind of, I mean, even on the outsole right here, like I said, it's the same thing. So it's literally one piece of rubber that's sculpted and formed like so and made. I wonder how much something like this costs to make. It seems like this reminds me of like a spork in a sense, where you like have a spoon fork and then they just make it because it was easy to do. This is just like one mold that they made. I assume maybe they did something fancy with this. I don't know. You see a seam right here for the outsole a little bit where they probably just married the sole on, but mostly it's just a rubber thing. Adidas logo right here. The only YEEZY branding is right here, and it says YEEZY size 9 US. They did a really minimal design right back through here in the midsole. Didn't paint it or anything like that. Again, very, very minimal, very bizarre looking, but they are comfortable on feet, I will say, but it's just too snug in this area. If I actually had to wear these around, I don't think they'd be the most comfortable ones for me. There's a lot of other slide options out there though, so with that, I will say I do have a video comparison of all of the different slides. The Boost Slides, the Alpha Bounce, the Cloud Foams, YEEZY Slides, the Nike Basanis or whatever they're called, and I even got some Croc slides that are coming my way. So I'm gonna have a pretty detailed comparison between all the different slides pretty soon, so stay tuned on the channel. I'm waiting on one more pair and then I'll get that moving. But so far, so interesting. 60 bucks on these plus shipping, so it was like 65 bucks. No tax for me. But did you guys cop the YEEZY Slides or not? Leave a comment, let other people know what you guys think about them on feet, how they are in general. Again, for wide feet boys, this is definitely not the one, but it is what it is. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. This is one of the 3 colors that they had, and I went with this desert sand one or whatever it's called. But it will be interesting to see if the YEEZY Crocs are made from the same type of material or process, because these were not that comfortable for me, and hopefully the YEEZY Crocs will come in a little bit of more of a wider fit, I guess, than these. But I guess we will see, because I definitely have my eye on those when they end up dropping them. But that is all we have for the video. Something short and sweet, and yeah, curious if you guys bought them. Have a good rest of the day. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live, and more videos on the channel very soon. Peace, guys.